TrialPad, Working with Multimedia. Before viewing this video on working with multimedia, be sure to watch the TrialPad Overview video on the user interface and available tools. The Multimedia tab is where video and audio files are imported and stored. When you select a video in the Multimedia list, the first frame will be displayed in the preview window with a play button located in the middle. You can tap anywhere on the video in the preview window to start playback. The playback controls will appear underneath video files in the preview window and will disappear after about 4 seconds of playback, but can be brought back at any time by tapping anywhere in the preview window. You can pause the video or scrub back and forth as necessary, and the elapsed time and time remaining will be displayed. Above the preview window is the Snapshot button. When pressed, this will save a frame of the displayed video to the Documents tab, using a video file name and appending the time elapsed to the file name. Snapshots of a video can be annotated just like a photo using the tools found in the Documents tab, such as the callout or pen tools. The Clip Multimedia button will bring up an editing popover to edit the video. Drag the in and out points. They will turn yellow once selected to the desired start and end of your new video clip. If you pause your finger as you drag the in and out points, the video edit point will zoom in to allow for more precise editing. When you're finished editing, press the Use button. A new edited video clip will be created and saved to the Multimedia tab with the word Clip appended to the file name. If you play back an audio file, the preview window will remain black, but the playback controls will be visible at the bottom of the preview window. You can pause the audio or scrub back and forth as necessary, and the elapsed time and time remaining will be displayed.